It's your girl Bre-Ashley, and yes, I'm back at you with another freaking video. Today's video is actually going to be about NFM Hair. I'm so excited to be sharing my experience with NFM Hair. And if you did not know, NFM Hair, which stands for Not Factory Made Hair, this hair is actually from a young 19-year-old African-American entrepreneur who started her own company called Not Factory Made Hair. And her name is also Bri, but with an I, and she goes by LadyBriTV here on YouTube as well as Instagram. And I'm sorry, let me look at the little circle instead of, I'm filming on my phone, so I'm looking at myself. I'm not used to this. I'm used to filming on my camera, but my camera's dead. Like I was saying, she goes by LadyBriTV here on YouTube as well as Instagram, and her business page is nfm.hair on Instagram. I was interested in getting some hair. She was having a great sale, and so I figured, you know what, let me try this hair. I really have been trying to support Black business as much as I can, and so I felt like this was a great opportunity, especially with her being such a funny young lady. If you watch her video, she is so funny, like, oh my gosh. And you know, with her being so young, 19 years old, and being an entrepreneur, it was like I definitely want to be able to support her. So when I wanted some hair, she was the first person that I thought about, because I usually just wear my natural hair. Anyway, I ended up purchasing two 18-inch bundles and a 20-inch bundle, and it comes down to like a couple inches below my base. I really love this hair. It has not caused me any trouble. I got straight bundles, and I actually went swimming yesterday. I know, swimming in a weave. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, I did it for the kids. Anyways, I went swimming, I washed my hair, and I just put it in braids. So I took the braids out today, and this is what it looks like. You guys, I can run my fingers through this hair. No shedding. It's just it feels so good. It has a lot more texture right now because, like I said, I put it in braids. But I mean, this hair has just been so low maintenance for me, and that's how I like my hair to be. That's why I usually get straight hair. A lot of problems that I have with hair normally is that the nape just gets so incredibly tangled, and like it feels all itchy and stuff, and I don't have that problem with this hair. I really do love it. I went to get it installed at Super Weave Express. Where is that? It's off of like 1960 here in Houston, and the experience was good because of the stylist that I had. I can't speak for every single stylist, but the overall experience was good because of the stylist that I had. But anyway, back to this hair. I've had it in now going on a month. We're going on a month with this hair, and it's just, I mean, I really have no complaints for it. It has really caused me to want to get some more and try a different texture. I usually just go for straight because it's low maintenance, and I just, you know, straighten my leave out and I call it a day. But and so that's why it looks like this, because this is actually my leave out, and I live in Houston, and so my leave out is struggling, but we gonna be okay. Like, we're gonna be fine. I think if I would have had a closure, baby, this thing would have been slick laid to the side. But yeah, she's doing, I just want to say, Bri, you are doing great things, and keep going. You didn't even need to tell you that, but keep going. I really love this hair, and you definitely have a great product. So I just wanted to say that directly to her. And for those of you watching this video, you can definitely go and see some of her previous clients. They have discount codes. I know there's a code out there where you can get 10% off. I do not personally have a code. I purchased this with my own money, but you guys, I got two 18-inch bundles and a 20-inch bundle with shipping, which was $6.95. Guess how much I paid? Girl, I paid $140. That's it. That's all. I don't want to hear nothing about nothing. That's it. That's that on that. Like, $140 for real? Yes. Let me just show you the box. I have 3 kids, and it was a struggle to try to even keep this box to show you guys. But I just want to show you the amazing packaging that she has. NFM Hair. Says 100% virgin human hair. Notfactorymade.com. I mean, honey was marketing. Do you hear me? It says uniquely made, just like you. And this part says you are not factory made. So the inside was well presentable. It just had this red like tissue paper in it. And then I just want to show you guys, each one of my bundles came in a bag like this and let me know what length they were. And I like the fact that she put on here the stretched, she put on here stretch length. So like if you get another texture and you're like, oh, you know, this don't look like what I ordered, it's the stretched length of it. So this is the hair in its natural state. This is the hair that I did not use. So yes, I ended up using most of the bundles, but baby, we had hair to go around. Like she doubled up the back, and then on the top she just, you know, did single, and we still had hair. So yes, as you can see, running my fingers through it, I mean, this hair is like, it's just so beautiful and flowy. Like, I mean, what can I say? This feels like, this is human hair, okay? Don't get me wrong. But this feels like, remember back in the day when you got your first, like, real weave, and you got you some Saga Remy hair, or you got you some expensive-ass Outre, or expensive-ass, what was the other one? Devoness, or something like that. Like that $80 pack hair. This is what it feels like, you know, like that silky texture. Of course, it feels even better than that, but I'm just reminded of that, like that, just like, ooh, this ain't no Milky Way. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not trying to say that this is pack hair. I'm just saying it just has that really silky texture. So, overall, I will give this hair a good 9 out of 10. Everything that you need to know about this hair will be in the link down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.